Om Shri Sai Ram. My dear students, welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam. Today, we will be continuing with the poem The Quarrel, which I taught you in the previous session. This poem is written by the poet Eleanor Furgeon. In the 7th standard Karnataka State Syllabus Second Language English textbook, you can find this poem. Let's start with this poem. As you know, in the previous session, I had taught you the poem. We had discussed about the importance of various things like forgiveness, the giving up of the habit of quarreling with siblings or somebody else, all these things. So, in this session, we will look at the exercises, what is there in the textbook. Hope that you have understood and you have read through that poem, understood it and clarified all your doubts. If you still have any doubts, you can go back to your teacher. Answer the following questions in a word or sentence each. Who quarrels in this poem? Who quarrels in this poem? Do you know the answer? Yes, you are right. The poet quarrels in the poem, or the girl quarrels in the poem. Dash led to another. Dash led to another. Option 1, somehow, one thing, somehow led to another, one thing led to another, quarrel led to another. Which is the right and correct answer? Yes, you are right. One thing led to another. How did the fight end? How did the fight end? Yes. Here you go. Here is the answer. Mention who accepted the mistake in the fight. Who accepted the mistake in the fight? Yes, you are right. The poet's brother accepted the mistake in the fight. Name the poet who wrote the poem The Quarrel. I have already told you and you have heard it many times. Yes, you are right. Eleanor Furgeon. Next. Match the following. This is one side, this is another side. One thing, and somehow I know the afternoon we can't go. Turned black and all night we fell out, led to another, he was wrong. So, you know which one is to be matched with which sentence or phrase. So, just read it through, try to understand and then match. Yes, you can do it, right? Here are the answers. I have only given you the one side. Where are the answers? Here you go. One thing led to another. And somehow we fell out. I know he was wrong. The afternoon turned black. We can't go on all night. Right? Discuss the following with your partner and answer. Partner in the sense your classmate or friend or the person who sits next to you. How do you understand the lines 7 and 8? During their quarrel, the poet's brother said he was right. The poet knew that her brother was wrong. Okay, understood? We hated one another, says one of them. Is it true? Why do you think so? They hated or disliked when they were quarreling. Afterwards, they compromised and changed their feeling. Okay? What message does the poem give? The message given by the poem is, we should not quarrel with each other and we need to accept our mistake. Answer the following and discuss it in the class. Who, according to you, is right? You have to write this answer on your own because it is your opinion which is being asked. Discuss the end of the quarrel. At the end of the quarrel, brother argued that he was right. Siblings hated each other. The brother accepted his mistake. He made peace with his sister. Read and enjoy. Here is a reading activity. This is a wonderful story, so you can enjoy it. So how is this going to help you? This is going to help you to develop your reading skills. There was a butcher. Okay? Butcher. Butcher in the sense, a person who cuts the meat. Who at the end of the day went into the freezer. Freezer in the sense, it is cold storage. To put away some meat and got locked in. Okay? He went inside the freezer and he got locked automatically without his knowledge. It was after working hours, so he surely knew there was no one left to save him. Okay? Hours went on, so he decided to make peace with God, knowing the angel of death was on his doorsteps. Just then, the door opened wide. Shocked, amazed, puzzled, grateful. There, standing in front of him, was the security guard. The man looked up to the heavens to thank God, and then, curiously, he asked the security guard, "How did you know I was here?" "Very simple," he replied. "For 10 years, you are the only person who says hello and goodbye to me with such a kind, warm smile. Today, I heard the hello but never heard the goodbye, so I knew you had to be here. Every day, it might be your smile, a thank you, a kind word, or two that makes a difference in someone's life. And if by chance it comes back to you, well, that would be nice." So this story is related to the poem. The poem is about quarreling, right? The poem is about developing the quality of forgiveness, right? So this story is about being kind, being compassionate, right? Giving warm smile to someone, right? So this is connected to each other. It's interesting, right? Speaking practice. So this activity will help you to develop your English speaking skills. Discuss these lines in your group and tell what these lines mean. Alright? Discuss these lines in your group and tell what these lines mean. So you have to explain about these lines. Number one thing led to another. You have to explain what it is. Okay? The start of it was slight. So there are few sentences that you need to explain in detail. At least 2 to 3 lines or 4 lines, 5-6 lines you need to explain. The afternoon turned black. Thumped me on the back. When you are explaining, you need to think from the listener's point of view. You need to explain in such a way that he can understand whatever you are telling. If he does not understand, you need to ask him questions or you need to encourage him to ask questions to you. Then whatever you explain to him, he should be able to understand. This is how you develop your speaking skills. We can't go on all night. Here is the recap. Textbook questions and answers. Match the following. Reading activity, speaking practice. So these are the things that we did today. Hope that you have understood. So if you still have any doubts, my dear students, please read through the textbook, watch the video at least 2 to 3 times, and then if you still have any questions, please ask your teacher. Thank you. Sai Ram.